Have you ever wondered why a rusted nail turns brown, or why our food changes color when cooked? Welcome to a world where everything is about reactions and transformations. Welcome to the world of chemistry. We're going to dive into some complex chemistry concepts today, but fret not. We'll break them down into simple, bite-sized pieces. So grab your thinking caps and let's embark on this captivating journey of elements and compounds. First up, we're exploring atoms. Picture atoms as the building blocks of matter. Every single thing around you, from the air you breathe to the computer or phone you're using to watch this video, is made up of atoms. They're incredibly tiny, so much so that millions of them would fit on the tip of a needle. Next, we'll delve into the world of molecules. When atoms come together, they form what we call molecules. Think of them as a family of atoms. Just like how every family is different, every molecule is also different, depending on which atoms are part of it. Now, imagine these atoms and molecules as guests at a party. They're always moving, interacting, and forming relationships. These interactions are what we call chemical reactions. It's like the dance of the universe happening on a microscopic level. Let's talk about one such reaction: oxidation. When we leave a piece of iron exposed to air and moisture, it reacts with oxygen and forms rust. That's oxidation. It's the same process that turns your apple slices brown when left out. Then we have the concept of pH, the measure of acidity or alkalinity. It's a scale from 0 to 14, where 7 represents neutral, like water. Anything below 7 is acidic, like lemon juice. Anything above 7 is alkaline, like baking soda. Lastly, we'll touch on the concept of chemical bonds. When atoms come together to form molecules, they form bonds. It's like a handshake between atoms. These bonds can be strong, like in a diamond, or weak, like in a piece of chalk. So, to recap, we've learned about atoms, the building blocks of matter, and molecules, which are groups of atoms. We've discussed chemical reactions, the dance of atoms and molecules, and touched upon oxidation, a common reaction that causes rust and browning. We've also looked at pH, a measure of acidity or alkalinity, and lastly, chemical bonds, the handshake between atoms. Understanding these concepts can help us appreciate the symphony of reactions happening around us and within us, every moment of every day. So the next time you see a rusted nail or a browning apple, remember, it's all just chemistry at play.